Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Blender 4.1 with a tutorial that's going to take your mic shading game to the next level. So, buckle up, because things are about to get epic. Alright, so, first things first, let's talk about HyperX shading. It's all about creating that perfect blend of colors and textures to make your mic stand out like never before. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. We're going to start by creating a principled BSDF and playing around with the options to get the perfect base color for our mic. Then, we'll mix it with another principled BSDF that has a hue saturation and an image texture. Here's where the magic happens. We'll take the alpha of the image and plug it into the FAC of the mix shader, creating a seamless blend between our two shaders. And don't forget to UV unwrap your mic so that the image fits perfectly. Lighting is crucial for bringing out the best in your HyperX creation. We'll add some simple emission, play around with hue saturation, and use color ramp and gradient textures to create dynamic lighting effects that'll make your mic pop. There you have it, folks. With just a few simple steps, you can take your mic shading from ordinary to extraordinary with HyperX shading in Blender 4.1. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic tutorials like this one. Until next time.